Hello guys, it's me Sophia. I got my greenhouse right here. Yeah, let's go. Guys, let's look inside. Okay, so we got ourselves a little, let's see what this is, ice plant that we planted. We got a pea okra sprouting. Let's see. Nothing here yet. There we got in here yet, other than this little guy right here, which is the corn sproutlings. Right here. Mint. Strawberries, which has not shown up yet. Let's look though. No, not seeing any growth right now. I just got our time with our little sproutlings coming out of the time. Lettuce and a regular lettuce. Okay, we also have these wildflowers over here with got a sprouting in there. What about a little more? Then we got these bulbs, okra, what they look like. Here are our sunflowers, what they look like. We got this. We got some basil. Got ourselves sprouting, a giant tomato plant, lemon balm, wildflowers, a carrot, basil. We got our tomato plant, pumpkin, watermelon. We have another stem of stuff, mint. Perfect. Side now. We got rosemary, lavender, Spanish lavender to be exact. We got ourselves these zinnia flowers, like these snake plant, which is dying though. We got ourselves a rose bush, more zinnia, sproutlings inside that I planted. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye.